Alright, we did a couple little upgrades here. One is because we have the Rigid Industry lighting. Got the new sticker. Took off, built, not bought. Some people got it, some people didn't. Because, you know, we actually built this truck. I mean, people are like, well, you didn't build the body. Whatever. We put everything together on this truck, top to bottom. From the lighting to the tires and rims and wheel bearings and you name it, we've done it. So we put a militia sticker up there. 35-inch tires. Underneath we have lighting. Oh, we got the new sticker there too. We got the Iron Cross sticker, the ICI sticker in the back for the side rails, the rear bumper, fuel for the rims. Brand new Hemi engine in here. Custom bumper. We got the Showtime Metalworks. We have a 7-inch, I think it's a CTS or CST lift, 7-inch, and then we also have a 3-inch body lift on top of that. Now we're gonna go a little higher. But anyway, just showed you a few of the stickers that we put on there. $1,000 just for that little grill. It's crazy. Rigid Industry lighting. $2,200 I think we paid for that and the brackets for the top. We're just doing a quick little video. Rigid Industries. And this is the brand new. I don't know if we can get in there, but it's 2017. Not rebuilt, I'm talking brand new from the dealership. Look at those tires. We're going to go with 37s next, and we're going to lift it a little higher. We're going to black out the emblems. That's the next project, is blacking out the emblems. And we also did a custom exhaust job on there too. I know I got a lot of videos already out there for this truck, and we're going to black out these emblems too with some plexi dip. I think I'm going to leave them just the way they are. I'm not sure yet. Alright, also Viper alarm system. Just give you a back view. We also put a E&M cover on there. Custom made exhaust. The guy did it from front to back. All the lights are blacked out. I bought him that one.